Dear students, so today we will perform lab number 6, which is about subqueries. Subqueries means queries inside the queries or queries within the queries. So in this queries, what we're gonna do, we have 6 different questions. So we will go one by one and see that how can we solve this subquery question. So the first one is list the name and job. So we need these two columns of the employees who have the same job as the Johns, right? So let's see that how can we have divide this question into subqueries. So let's first see what is inside the employee table. So it's better to visualize the employee table first and then see how can we do it. So look here in this one, this brackets, inside these two brackets we have this a separate query. So you see over here this is a separate query. So we have we have connected this one query inside the big query, right? So now see, we need the ename, we need the job, and from the emp table where job, so job, as we said, that job should be equal to what, equal to the Johns, where ename is equal to Johns. So what we do it, we whatever the output is returned, it will be assigned to this variable job. So the job is a variable, or we can say it's a column, right? So according to this one, if I run it, so I hope this will be giving us the one. Yeah. So here it is giving us those e names, okay, and the jobs, okay, and where the e name equal to the Johns, right? So this one is done. Okay. Now the next one is find all the employees, okay, in the department 10. Okay, so we have 4 departments, 10, 20, 30, and 40. Well, 40 is not connected with the emp table, who have a job that is the same as anyone in the department 30. So we need to compare department 10 and 30 and see that how it works. So let's see the code for it. Yeah, so if I run the code for this one, so here I have two conditions, where department is 10, okay, and the third condition I put in the subqueries, like see. So one of the condition I put in the subqueries and one in the main query. So this is the main query, this is the main query, and this is the child query. Okay, so this is so in a short way I can say this is a child query and this one is a parent query, right? So when I run this one, I hope I will get my desired, yeah. So here I got my desired answer over here. So these are with the department 10 and also with the department 30. So I got all my e names and the jobs where the department number is 10 and where department number is 30 as well. So you can double check with the select static from emp, so that you can cross verify it by this one and see whether all the records are true or not. So here we got two records, Clark and Miller, okay, and we will see that Clark and Miller, okay. So if you see over here, Clark, so is 10, yes, is 10, so verified, okay. And then Miller, okay, let's see where is the Miller. Yeah, Miller is also 10, department number 10. Both are working in department number 10. And then we have, yeah. Okay, so this is the query, we have it. And the next one is, yeah, so next one, list the names, name, job title, and salary of the employees who have the same job as salary as Ford. So Ford is an employee, okay, and according to that one, we will see they have the same answer or no. Okay, so Ford. So as I told you before, the content inside is case sensitive, while the attribute name or column name are not case sensitive. You can write like this one, GOB, or you can write like so. It will not be any problem. But if you write this one, FORD, this is a problem, right? Because inside data is case sensitive. So if you see over here the Ford one, and just like to double check where is the Ford one. So ename. So ename, this is my ename. So Ford will be inside this one. So FORD, say FORD, yeah, this one. So I found it, spotted it out here, FORD. So F is capital and ORD is small, right? So let me run this one. Now I got it right. So where the ename is equal to 4. But what is special in this one? In this lab, we are focusing on subqueries like child queries within the parent queries, right? Okay, so we have like two conditions, but here this condition is a little bit different, and here we have combined job and salary together, and accordingly, and then we got like condition inside the subquery with the Ford, and we got the answer. So let's suppose if I make it capital, so let's see how the results variates. Now see, the no data is found because there is a no match, because the capital ORD FORD is not like recognized by the system. So now if I do this one, it will be okay. So this is a small tip for you. And then I go for this one, list the name, job, and department of the employees who have the same job as John, and salary greater than or equal to the Ford. Order the output in the alphabetic order of the job and within the job size of the salary. So we need an order by and also these columns. So now see over here, we will have the order by. Now see over here, we need an order by. So in this one, in the subquery, we put this order by, okay. And Ford, as I told you before, the spelling should be case sensitive. And I think here we have a two subqueries. So one we have one, this is parent query till like where job, okay, till this one is a parent query. Then we have another query which is this one, okay. So this is a child query for this one, but this one is the parent query for this query. So we have like you can say this is like grandfather, this is like father, and this is the child, right? So we have three queries together, and if I run this one, so this query is a bit heavier, so it took a little bit time, and now we got the answer for this according to the conditions where like ename equal to Ford and ename equal to John's, right? So this is like what we got it. Now next one is find all the employees. Now let me have this one. Find all the employees in department 10 that have a job that is the same as anyone in the sales department, right? So same as, so we need a different code for it, and the code which I say like, yeah. So here this is also multiple subqueries over here. So according to this one, this is like your main query, right? And you have like after the main query you have the subquery, right? And then you have a subquery. So you have two subqueries over there, and accordingly you got it, right? So if I change this one sales to the small one and then see how it variates, so it will be let's see if there is no data, it means that, yeah, so no data means sales are capital, okay? Sales are capital, rename sales are capital. So let's see if it is capital or no. We can double check with it. Select static from EMP, and then it would be most probably it will be capital. Yeah. So sales, like so ename, all ename sales, right. So now this is the department name, not the EMP. So we need to see the department table, right? Because D name is in the department, not in the EMP. So we need to be careful on that one. So now in the sales one, you see all D names are capital. Accounting is capital, research is capital, so sales is all capital, and operation capital. So that's why we need to do it. Okay, next one is find the employees located in Chicago who have the same job, okay, as Alan, right? Okay, so the job should be equal to Alan. Return the results in alphabetic order by the employee name. So we need order by again. Okay, now see over here, we have like this query. Okay, so first let me have this table. Already we have it run. So if I run it, this table will be there. So what I needed, how many queries? Let's first identify how many queries we have it, and where is the sub query. So this query starts from here, okay, and here, yeah, stops here. So this is the first parent query, and the sub query or the child query is this one, right? So now let's analyze. Let me run this query first and see what kind of result I get it. Okay. So according to this one, we need ename, which is in the select statement. We need location. It is there. we need sale, it is there, and we need job, okay, from both tables. So this is very clear, right? Location is Chicago, so all location are Chicago, and but there is a condition, and means like both should be satisfied, where department number of EMP table must be equal to department number EMP table, right? So usually like in this one 10, 20, 30 are coinciding, but department number 40 is not available in the employee table. And the job condition, says that MP must be the LN, the name should be the LN, and the last one is order by, we need to order by LN. So if you see over here, E name is order, so the first one is capital A, LN, start from A, so, and then M, okay, and then T for Turner, and then for W for Watt. So it has also been ordered by. So thank you very much, and see you in the next lab. Thank you.